The Your Credit Matters segment today being brought to you by the area trusted brought to you by creditsanitizer.com. You have a credit report. It is wrong. What are you doing about it? Credit Sanitizer has the solutions for you. Great service. Our friends over there at Blue Water Credit do a great job of helping with the getting your credit repaired. And I'm going to share with you that your credit report is wrong. They all are. I've been looking at credit reports for decades. I've never seen one that's completely accurate. Paying your taxes late, what you need to know. Tax season is upon us. And while some may find it to be a straightforward process, others may struggle to meet the deadline, whether it's due to financial constraints or other factors. Paying your taxes late can have serious consequences. Today, we're going to explore what happens when you pay your taxes late, the penalties involved, and what you can do if you find yourself in this situation. When it comes to taxes, the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, does not mess around. The IRS expects taxpayers to file their tax returns and pay any outstanding taxes owed on time. Failure to do so can result in a variety of penalties and interest charges that can make your tax bill even harder to pay. If you owe taxes and can't pay by the deadline, the best thing you can do is file your tax return on time anyway. Filing your return on time will help you avoid certain penalties, such as the failure to file penalty, which can be quite steep. However, if you don't pay your taxes on time, you can be subject to the failure to pay penalty, which is typically 0.5% of the unpaid taxes per month, up to a maximum of 25%. This penalty will continue to accrue until your taxes are paid in full. On top of the failure to pay penalty, you'll also be charged interest on any unpaid taxes. The interest rate is set by the IRS and is subject to change. As of 2021, the interest rate on unpaid taxes is 3% per year. I bet that goes up, compounded daily. In addition to these penalties and interest charges, the IRS may also take enforcement action against you. This can include wage garnishment, bank levies, and the seizure of assets, such as your home or car. So what can you do if you find yourself unable to pay your taxes on time? First step, contact the IRS and explain your situation. The IRS may be willing to work out a payment plan with you, allowing you to pay your taxes over time. You can also explore other options, such as an offer in compromise or currently not collectible status. It's important to note that if you do enter into a payment plan with the IRS, you will still be subject to interest charges and may also be subject to a reduced failure to pay penalty. However, entering into a payment plan can help you avoid more severe enforcement actions, such as wage garnishment or asset seizure. In summary, paying your taxes late can have serious consequences. You may be subject to penalties, interest charges, and even enforcement actions by the IRS if you find yourself unable to pay your taxes on time. The best thing you can do is file your return on time, contact the IRS to explore your options. It's always better to take action early than to wait and let the penalties and interest charges continue to accrue. Bottom line, if you're struggling with taxes or other financial issues, keep listening to ronsingerradio.com. Visit rsrmoney.com. Give us a call. Set up a plan. We can help you with the plan. We don't negotiate with the IRS, but we might find that there's options for you to get these paid. Don't wait until it's too late to take action. Take action today. Take control of your financial future. That is the Your Credit Matters segment, brought to you by creditsanitizer.com. You have a credit report and it is wrong. What are you doing about it? Credit Sanitizer has solutions for you. You just got to make sure that you're making that call and take action. There's a few things that you can also look at with regard to with credit is rsrcredittips.com. rsrcredittips.com. That is one of the solutions that we have for you. rsrcredittips.com. You can also look at rsrcreditmistakes.com. rsrcreditmistakes.com. So that's another one for you.